Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my kitchen, you guys. So good to have you all here once again today. So today, you guys, I am going to be making a keto-friendly cracker. Now, I've made a cracker before, but I used cheese in it. And today I'm going to be making a recipe that uses no cheese whatsoever. So if you want to learn how to make these delicious keto cheese-free crackers, then stay with me and I will show you how coming up next. Okay, everyone, welcome back. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start with some almond flour, which is already in this bowl, and I will leave all the measurements on the screen. So to this, we are going to add some salt. Let's go ahead and whisk this in so that we can evenly distribute it in this almond flour. And next, we are going to add a beaten egg. Followed by some melted, well, it used to be melted butter. It's a little bit cool in here, you guys. The seasons have changed, which is another reason why I wanted to go ahead and make another cracker recipe, because this is the Christmas season and along with that comes some entertaining. So it's nice to have some crackers on hand just for a snack or for entertaining. And I can just go with this particular batter, leaving it plain, but I decided that I wanted these crackers to be a little bit more savory, so to it, I am going to add some oregano. So I guess this is about a teaspoon. I'll rub it in between my hands. That way we can release the flavors of that oregano. And it smells phenomenal, you guys. Here we go. And of course, add whatever flavors that you want or nothing at all. Okay. I'm going to change to a rubber mallet. Blend this in. And then once this forms a dough, then we'll be ready to roll it out and then shape our crackers. So you guys, we are just about there as far as the consistency that we need for this dough. All right, that looks good. And this is what we have. That is a nice consistency. It's holding together. Perfect. All right. So the next thing that we're going to do is roll it out. Okay. So now let's get the parchment on top and get our rolling pin, and we're going to roll this out thin because, as you know, crackers are not too thick. So guys, leave in the comments below and let me know how your holiday planning is coming along, whether it be decorating or putting together different treats for the holiday or planning your holiday menu. All right. And you guys, that looks pretty good. All right. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go over and get my baking sheet. And once I get the baking sheet, then I am going to cut these into the shape that I want, put those on the baking sheet, and then these will be ready to bake. Okay, everyone. So let's go ahead and get started cutting these out. Oh gosh, and they look and smell amazing, and they're not even baked yet. So what we can do is we can make a grid and cut these out into squares, which is what I've done in the past. But today I'm going to do something a little bit different. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make rounds out of my crackers this time. So I don't have a cookie cutter that is round, but I've got this glass that is round, and I'm going to use this as my cutter. So you guys, this is just an example of make do with what you have. And I'm going to continue on until I have cut out all of my crackers. Okay, so I have cut out all of these crackers. Let's just see if they will come off this parchment paper the way I need them to. Let's see the best way to do this. Maybe to get the dough from around them. There we go. And there we have it. A round cracker, you guys. So I'm gonna put these on this silicone baking sheet. And by the way, if you're interested in this, I purchased this from Amazon. It was a pack of 2, and I will leave the link in the description. So let me go ahead and continue taking these off. Perfect. All right, everyone, so this is the excess dough, which again, I'm going to be rolling it out so that I can form some more crackers. So let's go ahead and set this aside. And put this front and center. So these are the crackers. I was able so far to get 24 crackers out of this batch. And again, I've got a lot of dough left. So what I want to do before I put these into a preheated 400-degree oven is I just want to put some holes in it. I think I want to do the fancy. Just like that. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Probably can't. But I think that looks good. Makes it look more like a cracker. Okay, everyone. Now these are ready off to the oven, which again has been preheated to 400 degrees. And these are gonna go into the oven for between 5 and 10 minutes. I will keep my eye on them so that when they just get crispy enough, I will be taking them out. So you guys, while those other crackers are in the oven baking, I decided to go ahead and form this, but I'm going to cut these into the squares. So let me show you how I am going to accomplish that. I just roll this out until it is thin enough for crackers, just like we did the first batch. And I can kind of feel, that's why you see me feeling the edges, I can feel the thickness. Around the edges. That lets me know that I need to roll it out a little bit more. All right. And there we have it. So let me get my baking sheet. And when I come back, I will show you guys how I'm going to cut these into squares. As a matter of fact, the other batch of crackers are ready to be checked. All right, you guys. Let's go ahead and try to square this up as much as possible. Okay, you guys, these crackers are right out of the oven and they are ready. So I'm gonna set this aside so they can cool, and then we're going to continue on with these. All right, you guys. Okay. All right, so now this is squared up pretty good. Let's go ahead and use the cookie cutter and cut this into squares. And the last thing we're gonna do is take this toothpick and just put a little hole in the center, because that is reminiscent of a square cracker. All right, let's see if you can see that. And there we have it. Okay. And now let's just lift these off this parchment onto this silicone baking sheet. All right, and there we have it. So at this point, I am going to put these into the oven and give these about 5 minutes and check on them. If they're ready to come out, then you will be seeing me. All right, now these are out of the oven. So I'm gonna let these cool, and then we are going to be giving these crackers a taste. Okay, everyone, these crackers are ready and they look absolutely amazing. I am so impressed with this. So I've got the round ones, and in this bowl, I've got the square ones. And you guys, this makes such a beautiful presentation for entertaining. All right, so let's go ahead and give them a taste. Lord, I thank you. Absolutely delicious, you guys. And it's got a nice crunch to it as well. I am loving this recipe. And again, I took the base recipe a step further and I added the oregano to it. So good. And over here, I got a piece of cheese. Add that to it. So good, you guys. Absolutely delicious. Give this a try, I'm telling you. For a snack, or to put out on a platter, you know, when you need to entertain, for a salad, for soup, these are sheer perfection if you are on a keto diet, or for those that are not keto as well, because I've made the cheese crackers, or the crackers with the cheese in it before. Husband absolutely loved them. He's not yet tasted these, but I'm sure when he does, he's going to love these just as much. So again, you guys, give them a try. Leave your comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. Please do share, and please do press that subscribe button below if you've not yet done so. And remember, you guys, remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. It is a great day. You make it your own kind of special by making delicious keto-friendly recipes such as this. And you guys, I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say. And until that time, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you guys real soon. Thank you all so much.